Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer your YouTube channel to another Gmail account. And this is very simple, and I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first of all, find the channel that you want to move. Now, I want to move this old workout channel. So what we need to do now is go to Settings, go to Permissions, and click here on Manage Permissions. Right here we click on Manage Permissions. And then from here, they send us to a next page. So let's see this page. And right here, we click here on the plus icon from invite new users. Then from here, fill in the email address that you want to use. So help me out, guides@gmail.com. That is this email. And then right here, choose here the role. Now you can do communications manager and manager, but I want to be the owner on a new Gmail account. So then I click here on the owner and then I do invite. Then right now I click here on done, and then right now we go to our Gmail and then we refresh this page. And then in a while, if we check maybe or spam, now give it a few seconds, he will receive the message of the channel. Right here it is, and here it says Tommy Flux invited you to own Tommy Flux. This sounds very funny, but right now if we click here on this mail and we do accept invitation and then we do accept. Right now if I go to YouTube, close, and go to my Gmail with that linked email address, you can see right here that we got linked to this YouTube channel. Right now, we need to be owner of this channel for 7 days. And after that, I can delete the ownership on my previous email. And then we are the primary owner of this channel. So right now, if you go to settings, permissions, manage permissions, manage permissions, you can see if you click on that again, that we are the owner, and after 7 days, you can change it from here to the primary owner from the previous Gmail account. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.